Hello, this is liquid gold. Yes, Colatura de Alici, coming from the Amalfi Coast off of Italy. This is anchovy extract. This is liquid gold, people. This is so buttery, so elegant, so umami, so Italian. This is anchovy extract. They squeeze anchovies and salt to make this delicious, buttery, golden syrup. And you see how much I like it because I've used this much. And I've only known about this for a couple weeks. So let's make some pasta. Hello everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we're going to make spaghetti alla colatura. And Colatura de Alici is this delicious golden elixir, which is the extract of anchovies. It's made from a little town on the Amalfi Coast, and this particular brand has been made since 1906. This is the only place that you can get Colatura, and it is the extract of anchovies. It is such a buttery, delicious, just, oh my goodness, impressive flavor. If anchovies are a sock and a punch in the mouth, this is a kiss and a whisper in your ear. This stuff is just above and beyond, and we're going to make some pasta utilizing that stuff. And we got some parmesan, some colavita spaghetti, the ingredients. Let's get cooking. For the life of me, I do not recall how I first heard about this about 3 weeks ago, but all I know is that I did order it and I'm loving it, and I made this recipe at least 4 times since. But anyway, we're gonna show you how to do it here. You need the biggest bowl you got, wide, salad type bowl, because we're gonna do a lot of tossing. And here we have a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. In this case we got Greek, but you can use any kind of virgin olive oil you like. Now we're going to add about that much of the colatura, and to that we're going to add some cheater's garlic. Now that's good. That's to taste. In this case you kind of want to use cheater's garlic paste because we're not going to cook this, and so you don't want big chunks of raw garlic in there. It'll be kind of strong. And then we have 1 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, and about a good tablespoon of red pepper flakes. Now we're going to take this and we're just going to whisk it around really well. Get it combined nicely and let them sit together. Meanwhile, we got the boiling water over there, which we're going to start cooking the pasta in. So these little flavors are going to marry, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to turn it into an emulsion. And in the meantime, I'm going to put on the notes below the video I saw of this guy, how he makes this colatura in Portugal. It's in Portuguese, but it doesn't matter. You can figure out what's going on. I mean, you can see that, oh, okay, I'm putting salt on fish. And that's a very good video. And I'll also put a link where you can buy this stuff. So join me in a little bit. Once we got a large pot of boiling salted water, we're going to add the 1 pound of pasta. In this case, we're using spaghetti. And we're going to use tongs to mix it up so it doesn't clump up. And we're going to start cooking it. Okay, we're going to cook it for 10 minutes, so let's set the timer. 5 minutes into cooking the pasta, there's enough starch released in the water that we can take some out, and we're going to add it here. And now we're going to start whipping up this oil, and with the hot starchy water, we're going to form an emulsion. And it's going to thicken up and get cloudy, and it's only going to take about a minute or two, and you can see it starting to come together now. Okay, so let me finish and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, after about 1 minute of whipping, you can see how cloudy that looks, and it is emulsified and it's no longer separated. It's all thick together, and that's the secret to what you want. Okay, so we got 4 minutes left on the pasta, 10 minutes for colla vita al dente, and we're going to start making it. But first, at this point, we're going to add the zest of 1 lemon and about that much fresh basil from the garden, which I've chopped up. And oh, now the scent with that lemon zest is just getting marvelous. Okay, join me in a couple minutes. Okay, the pasta is ready. So now what we're going to do here is directly from the pot, dripping water and all, bring it over and put it in this bowl. And the reason why you want to do that is because you want this starchy water in there to help coat the pasta. Okay? And we are using 1 pound of pasta here. And we're getting it all in there. Now that we got all the pasta in there, what we're going to do is we got some fresh chopped parsley. We want to put about a cup in there, and we're going to add some more colatura like that. And now we're going to take our tongs and stir everything up nicely. And let me tell you, this smell, oh my God, it is beyond belief. It is absolutely delightful. You've got the lemon zest, you've got the colatura, you've got the olive oil, you've got the garlic. This is just gorgeous. Let me go ahead and mix this up better, and join me in a bit. Okay, so you got it gorgeously mixed up. The red pepper flakes are in there, all this deliciousness. Now, what we're going to add is some fresh grated parmesan. Oh, I'd say a cup. And we're going to mix that in too. The cheese and the emulsified oils have just given this such a creamy coating. Let's go ahead and plate some up. Alright, here we are. And we added a little bit more Parmesan cheese on top. Oh my goodness, that smells delicious. Look at this. This is just heaven on earth for a meal. Let's go ahead and try some. As I've said, I've made this 4 times already. The bottle's almost empty, so I can tell you what it's like. It is heavenly. And let me tell you, reheated the next day, even better. That seafoody deliciousness. Oh my. Just perfect. The balance of the lemon zest and the garlic and the red pepper flakes is just gorgeous. Nothing overpowers anything. And let me tell you, this is an aristocratic flavor. It is so elegant and subtle that it just makes this magic. And I shared some with some people at work, and if you didn't know that that was anchovy extract, you would not be able to tell it was anchovies. It is that elegant. Obviously it's some seafood flavor in there, but it is mild and gorgeous. Thanks for watching, people. Hope you enjoy this. Bye-bye.